I will get on the train. See? But this is getting back to normal. Yes, very nice. Huh? Last time I came here, the train is empty. It was empty. Now look at that. It's crowded. Very nice. Say hello, Roger. Say hello. Oh, beautiful.